Hello students, let's continue exercise 2.2 in this video. So fourth problem, in the given figure DE parallel to AC and DF parallel to AE. Prove that BF by FE equal to BE by EC. Okay, so it is given that that this line, okay, DE is parallel to AC. These two lines are parallel, and these two lines DF is parallel to AE. Okay, it is already given in the question. So what we have to prove now? BF by FE. Okay, this ratio is equal to BE by EC. Okay, this full ratio. Okay, so we have to prove BF by FE is equal to BE by EC. This ratio we have to prove now. Okay, let's solve now. So given we should write, then to prove we should write, then proof. Let's start. So we are taking the triangle ABC, the whole triangle we are taking. In that DE is parallel to AC. It is already given in the question. So we can write by the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so we can write BE by EC is equal to BD by DA. Okay, why? Because these two lines are parallel. This line and this line is parallel. So we are writing the ratio. Okay, BD by AD and BE by EC. Okay, this ratio we are writing. This is equation number 1. Okay, keep this in mind. So let's move to the next triangle. Okay, triangle AEB. Okay, this triangle we are taking, this smaller triangle. Okay, in this triangle DF is parallel to AE. This is already given. So we, by the basic proportionality theorem, we can write BF by FE equal to BD by DA. Okay, so BD by DA is there in the equation 1 also, it is there, and equation 2 also it comes. So we can equate BF by FE equal to BE by EC. Okay, so the RHS of both the equations is same. Okay, so the LHS can be equated. Okay, so that's why we get the answer, hence proved. Moving to the next problem, in the given figure DE parallel to OQ. Okay, so DE is parallel to OQ. These two lines are parallel. Then DF is parallel to OR. This line is parallel to OR. Okay, we have to prove EF parallel to QR. We have to prove this EF, this line. Okay, this line is parallel to this line. Okay, it's given EF is parallel to OQ and DF parallel to OR. We have to prove EF parallel to QR. Okay, so let's start. Given data, it's written. Then we have to prove EF parallel to QR. Then proof. We will start with this triangle PQO. This triangle we are taking. Okay, PQO. This triangle we are taking. In this, these two lines ED and OQ are parallel. So by basic proportionality theorem, we can write PE by EQ is equal to PD by DO. Okay, we are writing the ratio, these two. Okay, we are writing by the basic proportionality theorem. Okay, so keep this equation in mind. We will move to the next triangle. So PRO, this triangle. PRO, this triangle we are taking, in this these two lines are parallel. So by basic proportionality theorem we can write these two ratios PD by DO and PF by FR are equal. Okay. So in this we see that the RHS PD by DO is same. So we can equate the LHS. Okay. So in the next slide we will write that. So PF by FR is equal to PE by EQ. This is the equation we obtain. Okay. So now we are taking the whole triangle PQR. This triangle we are taking. In this triangle, if you see this third equation, PE by EQ and PF by FR is there. Okay. By converse of the theorem, if a line divides any two sides of the triangle in the same ratio, then the line is parallel to the third side. This is converse of the basic proportionality theorem. By that we can say that the third line is parallel. Okay. So EF is parallel to QR. Hence proved. Okay. Understood? So we started with this triangle and one more this triangle. By that we got this equation, third equation. Okay. This third equation, if you see for the whole triangle PQR, it shows that the ratios are same. So by the converse of the theorem we can say EF is parallel to QR. Okay, understood? Moving to the next problem. In the given figure ABC are points on OP, OQ, OR respectively. Okay, so see the diagram here. ABC, these are the points on OP, OQ and OR. Okay, OP, OQ and OR. In this line, these are the points such that AB parallel to PQ. So we have to, it's already given AB parallel to PQ and AC parallel to PR. Okay, we have to show that BC parallel to QR. Okay, these two lines are already parallel, it is given. Okay, we have to prove these two lines are parallel. Okay, understood? Let's prove. So given data we are writing, then to prove we are writing, then we are going to take this triangle. Okay, this is a green color triangle. Let's take OPQ, that triangle we are taking. So it's already given they are parallel. Okay, these two lines are already parallel. So by basic proportionality theorem we can write OA, A is here, OA by AP equal to OB by BQ. Okay, by basic proportionality theorem. Then take this triangle, this blue color triangle, OPR. This triangle we are taking, and here also these two lines are parallel. So by basic proportionality theorem we can write OA by AB, AP equal to OC by CR. Okay. So in these two equations we see that LHS OA by AP is same. Here also OA by AP, here also OA by AP. So we can equate the RHS. Okay. So from 1 and 2 we get OB by BQ equal to OC by CR. Okay. So if you take the whole triangle, if you are taking this triangle, if you are going to take this triangle OQR, okay, OQR, this triangle if you take OB by BQ and OC by CR, these two ratios are equal. By converse of basic proportionality theorem we can say that these two lines are parallel. Okay, understood? So already by these two triangles we got two equations, and from that we are getting this ratio or equal. Okay, if you see this white color triangle, okay, this ratio is equal. By converse of the theorem, if this ratio is equal, then these two lines are parallel. Okay, understood? Hence proved. Then next problem. Using BPT, prove that a line drawn through the midpoint of one side of a triangle parallel to another side bisects the third side. Okay, they are saying this is the midpoint of AB. Okay, let's take like that. D is the midpoint of AB. This is already given in question, and this DE is parallel to BC. We have to prove that AC is bisected by E. That is, E is midpoint of AC. Okay, that we have to prove now. Okay, we have to prove that E is midpoint of AC, and D is, it's already given, it's a midpoint of AB. Okay, write the given data and to prove. Okay, I hope you understood this. So moving to the solution. Okay, in triangle ABC, DE is parallel to BC. Okay, so by basic proportionality theorem, we can write this. So AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Okay, so since D is the midpoint of AB, okay, since D is midpoint of AB, AD is going to be equal to DB. Is it not? It's a midpoint of AB. So both the side AD and DB is going to be equal. That's why we are going to replace AD with DB. Okay, so DB by DB we are going to write. So DB by DB, it will get cancelled. Okay, so we are getting 1 equal to AE by EC. Okay, this side alone we did like this. Okay, we don't know that E is midpoint or not. That's why we didn't do. So this side we know already, it's given in question that D is the midpoint. That's why we wrote like this. So we are getting like this. So now what will happen? EC, it's here in the denominator. If it goes there, it will go to the numerator. That means EC is equal to AE. Okay, EC and AE are equal means what? E is the midpoint of AC. Okay, so that's the proof we needed. Okay, that's all. Then last question. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC and its diagonals intersect each other at the point O. Show that AO by by OB equal to CO by DO. Okay, this ratio. Okay, AO by OB is equal to OC by OD. We have to prove this. Okay, so given it's a trapezium and AB is parallel to DC and diagonals bisect at O. Okay, intersect at O, sorry. Okay, to prove is this one. So construction, we are going to construct a line EF. Okay, in the next slide you can see, you are going to construct a line EF such that it is parallel to AB and DC. Okay, passing through O. This is the construction. So let's take this green color triangle. Okay, ADC we are taking. So since this is parallel, okay, AF is parallel to DC. That means AO is parallel to DC. Is it not? AF, it's a part of AF only. No, AO. Sorry, EO. Sorry, EO. EO is part of EF only. So the EO is parallel to DC. Okay, so by basic proportionality theorem, we can write the ratio like this. Okay, AE by DE equal to AO by CO. So in this portion of triangle, light blue portion of triangle, we are taking DBA. Okay, same way. Okay, EO is parallel to AB. Okay, by basic proportionality theorem, we will write like this. From 1 and 2, you can see the LHS is same both. Okay, both are same. So we can equate the RHS. Okay, but our required proof is AO by BO. So just bring this BO here and CO there. That's a required proof we want. Okay, hence the proof. Okay, understood children? We are starting with this green color triangle and one more with this blue color triangle. Okay, then after that equating both, we will get this one, and if you cross multiply these two, we will get the answer. Hence it is proved. Okay, children, the remaining problems are homework. Try. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Thank you, children.